So today in this video we shall factorize 15x square minus x minus 2. So first expression 15x square and last expression minus 2 both are same. So 15 times 2 mean 30 and we find out its factor to take the center part. So 2 times 15 mean 30. 3 times 5 mean 15. So by now multiplying within this number, we take here minus 1. So 2 times 3 mean 6 and this 5. So we need minus 1. So minus 6 plus 5, it means it is minus 1. So it becomes minus 6x plus 5x. So minus 6x plus 5x, it means it is minus x. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So common here is 3x. So remaining in the first 3 times 5 mean 15. 1x came, 1 is remaining. Minus 3 times 2 mean 6. X already came, plus now common here in both last expression are nothing here, so we take here 1. So remaining 5x minus 2. So now we again find out common in this first and last expression. So both contain 5x minus 2. So common here is 5x minus 2. Remaining in the first 3x in the last plus 1. So 5x minus 2 and 3x plus 1 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.